Welcome to Technology and Innovations, a celebration of builders worldwide who turn inspiration into reality. For years, Jesse has worked independently in his workshop, but now he faces his most ambitious undertaking. Yet together with his wife, Jay, he's purchased a 40-foot school bus, determined to transform it into a complete mobile dwelling. This family of five is embarking on an entirely new way of living, one filled with imagination, obstacles to overcome, and unforgettable experiences. Their journey starts here, with an empty bus and a bold vision. The transformation begins with complete deconstruction. Every unnecessary component must go. The seats come off first, unbolted methodically until the floor opens up. Wall coverings are unscrewed and removed, revealing the skeleton beneath. Worn insulation gets stripped away to make space for modern materials. Overhead panels and light fixtures are dismantled. Any remaining hardware that won't serve the new design is cleared out. What emerges is a shell marked by time, metal surfaces corroded by years of service. The floor reveals extensive rust damage, evidence of decades on the road. Jesse tackles this with an orbital sander, paying special attention to edges and joints where corrosion runs deepest. Small mounting holes are covered with metal plugs and bonded with industrial adhesive. Larger gaps require custom-cut patches, welded directly to the frame, and ground until flush. Every seam gets sealed with marine-grade sealant to lock out moisture. Finally, the entire floor receives a protective coating of rust-inhibiting enamel, creating a barrier against future deterioration. Standing inside reveals an immediate problem. The ceiling is too low for comfortable movement. The solution? Raise the entire roof by 18 inches, from behind the driver's position all the way back. The steel framework is surgically cut at predetermined points. Hydraulic jacks are positioned underneath and slowly cranked upward, lifting the roof section inch by inch. Once elevated, custom fabricated steel bars are installed as new support structures. These reinforcements are welded permanently, locking the raised section in place. A transitional piece must bridge the gap between the elevated rear and the original front section. Long sheets of metal are shaped, positioned, and riveted along the edges. Additional metalwork is welded across the transition line, creating a seamless connection. After welding, every joint is sealed against water infiltration and sanded smooth, ready for the next phase. A wooden grid is constructed across the floor, creating channels for insulation while supporting the subfloor above. The spacing is calculated precisely to accommodate foam panels without waste. Plywood gets fitted carefully around the wheel wells and entry steps. Foam insulation fills every cavity from front to back. Forming a thermal envelope, OSB boards are laid across the framing, establishing a solid base for finished flooring. To bring daylight and fresh air inside, openings are cut through the metal sides for window installation. The windows selected are specifically designed for mobile applications, energy efficient, weather sealed, and built to handle constant motion. They feature integrated screens and locking hardware, balancing ventilation with security. These units are engineered for the stresses of travel, flooding the interior with brightness while offering views of passing landscapes. The exterior transformation serves dual purposes: visual rebirth and weather protection. A bonding primer goes on first, promoting adhesion while resisting corrosion. Once cured, high-quality automotive paint is applied with a spray gun, ensuring uniform coverage. Selected accents, including wheel covers, receive black paint for visual contrast. The Bluebird nameplate is reinstalled letter by letter, reclaiming the vehicle's identity. The original metal entry door is replaced with a custom wooden version, treated with weather-resistant finish to withstand the elements. Fiberglass insulation is installed throughout for thermal efficiency and reliability. It minimizes heat transfer year-round, keeping the interior comfortable regardless of outside conditions. Wooden strips are mounted over the insulated surfaces, serving dual functions, securing the insulation and providing attachment points for wiring and interior panels. Electrical wiring is routed from the main distribution panel to designated locations for lighting, outlets, appliances, and controls. To optimize the layout, the bus is separated into two zones, with the dividing line positioned just past the wheel wells. A wooden structure is built over the wheel arches, smoothing the curved surfaces into a level platform. This creates usable space where previously there was none. Jesse constructs a platform with dual functionality. One section for laundry appliances, the other for bathroom fixtures, including the toilet. On the opposite side, a triple bunk sleeping area is framed to accommodate the children while maximizing vertical space. The lowest bunk is completed first, establishing a sturdy foundation. Wooden panels line the surrounding walls with cutouts for electrical access. A partition wall rises between the sections, with horizontal supports mounted to hold the upper bunk platforms. A sliding door is installed in the partition, offering privacy while conserving space. This wall clearly defines the zones, one for cooking, eating, and socializing, the other for rest and sleep. A rooftop air conditioning unit is mounted to provide year-round temperature regulation within the compact space. Work continues on the ceiling with plywood sheets cut to match the contours and secured to the roof framing. Holes are drilled for light fixtures and ventilation, enhancing both atmosphere and airflow. The bathroom area is framed separately to establish privacy and containment. The structure is anchored to the floor, ceiling, and adjacent walls for stability. A sliding door track is mounted overhead and aligned carefully. The door panel is hung and adjusted until it glides smoothly along its path. An access hatch is cut through the exterior wall for the water inlet connection. It's sealed and fastened to prevent leaks. Food-grade flexible tubing connects the inlet to the water tank's fill port, with clamps and fittings tightened for leak-proof seals. A water pump is installed near the tank to maintain consistent pressure throughout the system, minimizing strain and pressure loss. The plumbing network expands to deliver both cold and hot water to all fixtures. Flexible piping is chosen for its durability and temperature resistance. Cold water lines are installed first, running from the pump through the bathroom to supply the toilet, sink, and shower. The line continues into the kitchen, secured with clips to prevent movement during travel. Hot water lines follow the same route from the heater outlet, using proper fittings at each connection point. Every joint is thoroughly checked for security and integrity. To achieve off-grid energy independence, Solar panels are mounted on the roof, positioned and angled for maximum sun exposure throughout the day. A weatherproof electrical outlet is installed on the exterior wall, providing safe external power access for the solar system connection. The solar panels connect to an inverter charger that converts battery-stored DC power into AC power for appliances. The system automatically manages power sources, solar, battery, or utility, to maintain uninterrupted electricity. A charge controller is added to optimize energy transfer from panels to batteries, continuously tracking the maximum power point. This ensures efficient charging while preventing overcharge or excessive discharge, extending battery lifespan. With the solar system operational and tested, the bus now runs on reliable renewable energy. Plywood is attached to the bathroom framework, defining the interior shape and creating surfaces for waterproofing and finishing. With the bunk structure complete, final construction focuses on safety, comfort, and usability. Individual lights with personal switches are installed in each bunk for convenience. Decorative panels are mounted to create a polished appearance consistent with the overall design scheme. Interior surfaces are painted white to maximize brightness, particularly important given the small entry openings. Walls are added around each bunk, providing privacy and safety for the children. This cozy private space becomes a natural favorite, offering each child their own special retreat within the mobile home, a place where imagination thrives and comfort reigns during long journeys or rest periods. A small decorative storage unit is built above the driver's seat, utilizing otherwise wasted space. Soft accent lighting is installed near the entrance, casting a welcoming glow over the entry area. A final coat of warm-toned paint is applied, adding visual warmth while providing a protective layer against wear and temperature fluctuations. These panels are selected for their lightweight yet durable characteristics, ideal for mobile living where weight reduction and longevity are paramount considerations. Their texture and color unify the interior design, transforming the space from merely a converted vehicle into a thoughtfully crafted dwelling. Prefabricated kitchen cabinets are positioned along the side, where water lines are already run. The countertop is mounted atop the cabinets, providing a durable preparation surface. Cutouts are precisely made for the sink and faucet, preparing the area for plumbing connections and appliance installation. To enhance aesthetics and create visual cohesion, white finishing panels are mounted on the partition wall, dividing living and sleeping zones. These panels match the style and texture used on the bunk beds, maintaining decorative consistency throughout. A robust wooden frame is constructed around the refrigerator to prevent shifting or tipping during travel. The frame is anchored to the platform and covered with plywood, creating a wardrobe-like enclosure capable of withstanding road vibrations and sudden stops. A second cabinet set is installed opposite the main kitchen, designed to provide ample storage for cookware and utensils. A countertop is mounted with a designated cutout for the stove, thoughtfully designed for convenience during meal preparation. The water heater provides reliable hot water throughout the home. All inlet and outlet connections are properly secured, and electrical wiring is installed to power the thermostat and heating element, following all safety standards. To verify proper system function, the water tank is filled completely with fresh water. The sink's plumbing components, supply lines, faucets, and shutoff valves are assembled and connected. The sink is then linked to the drainage system with all joints and fittings tightly secured against leaks. Later, the entire system will undergo testing by running water through the sink, checking flow, drainage efficiency, and leak prevention at all connections. The wastewater drainage system is installed beneath the bus to handle gray water and ensure proper disposal. Drain pipes are routed and secured along the undercarriage, connected to the wastewater holding tank mounted beneath the frame in an easily accessible location for emptying. To ensure long-lasting waterproofing and durability, moisture-resistant boards are installed on the bathroom floor and walls. Designed to handle high humidity and direct water exposure, these boards are perfect for wet zones, such as bathrooms and kitchens. Their resistance to moisture helps prevent issues like swelling, warping, and mold formation, while offering a strong foundation for tiles or other waterproof surface finishes. Once the boards are positioned, the shower base is securely fitted to define the bathing area, support proper drainage, and provide a stable, level surface that minimizes movement and water buildup. To complete the system, all joints and corners between the boards are sealed using a moisture-resistant compound and then coated with a waterproofing membrane, ensuring the shower area remains completely watertight over time. White tiles complete the shower area, carefully chosen to match the overall design and blend seamlessly with the rest of the interior. Moisture-resistant wooden planks are installed on the ceiling and around the sink and toilet, bringing warmth, texture, and a natural character to the space. Jesse's precise craftsmanship is visible in every finish. The clean alignment and smooth transitions reflect the attention to detail poured into the build. Grout is applied between tiles to seal gaps and protect against leaks. A small window enhances ventilation while allowing natural light to brighten the compact bathroom, finished with interior trim for a refined look. A bed platform is built above the water tank to optimize interior space without compromising access for maintenance. A solid wooden frame is constructed around the tank's edges. Followed by securely fixing plywood sheets on top. One section of the platform is fitted with a hinge, creating an access panel that allows quick and convenient servicing whenever required. A vacuum-packed mattress is then opened and placed onto the platform. As it expands, it gradually fills out its shape, turning the space into a comfortable and cozy sleeping area. With the sink and faucet installed, all plumbing connections are completed and tested to ensure leak-free performance. Decorative boards are installed across all interior walls, mirroring the texture and design of the planks used in the bunk bed section to maintain visual consistency. Each board is carefully cut to exact measurements and attached using high-strength adhesive combined with hidden fasteners for a clean, seamless finish. Precise openings are created wherever required, including access points for the bunk beds and the bathroom doorway. The completed result delivers a warm and inviting atmosphere where aesthetics and practicality come together effortlessly, enhancing the customized and distinctive character of the mobile home. Floor tiles are laid to create a durable, water-resistant foundation that improves functionality and appearance. To protect the wooden walls and introduce contrast, a dark, moisture-resistant paint designed for high humidity areas is applied. The deep tone adds depth and modernity, forming a striking balance with the white tiles. Luxury vinyl plank LVP is selected for the flooring because of its excellent water-resistant properties and minimal maintenance requirements. Installation is efficient, as the planks interlock using a click-and-lock system that allows them to fit tightly without additional adhesives. Each plank is trimmed precisely to fit around built-in furniture and structural components, while small expansion gaps are intentionally left along the edges. These gaps allow the flooring to expand and contract naturally with temperature variations, ensuring long-term durability and stability. The entrance door is upgraded by integrating glass inserts. Jesse measures and cuts precise openings in the solid wooden door to accommodate the window panels. After installation, the entire door is painted in bright white, matching the interior and contributing to a cleaner, more modern appearance. This enhancement allows natural light to flow into the space, improving interior brightness and creating a more open feel. The glass panels also offer added side visibility for the driver, increasing both aesthetics and functionality. A sofa-style seating area is constructed in the living space to comfortably accommodate the family of 5. Jesse carefully designs the layout to seat all 3 children while ensuring proper posture and long-term support. The build begins with a strong plywood frame, firmly secured to both the floor and wall for stability during travel. The backrest is angled with a gentle slope that follows the natural curve of the spine, encouraging healthy sitting posture, whether relaxing or on the move. Beneath the seating surface, storage space is incorporated into the base for efficient use of limited interior room. A soft, custom-cut mattress is then positioned on top, transforming the area into a cozy and functional spot where the family can gather together. Open shelves installed above the cabinets provide additional storage and improve daily functionality by keeping frequently used items easily accessible. Installation starts with assembling support frames, which are secured using strong adhesive and screws. Once ready, the frames are fixed to the wall studs above the cabinets to ensure long-term stability and proper alignment for final finishing. To enhance the visual appeal, Moroccan-style tiles featuring intricate blue and white patterns are selected. These tiles complement the interior's existing colors and blend beautifully with the natural textures used throughout the space. Finally, wooden shelf covers with integrated lighting are fitted over the frames. These built-in lights deliver focused task illumination over the countertop, combining practicality with a stylish, modern finish. Installing the TV turns part of the living area into a versatile entertainment zone, giving the family a way to relax together and break up the travel routine with screen time for fun, learning, or unwinding. Even the smallest finishing touches contribute to enhancing the overall interior. With clean lines, smooth transitions, and consistent textures, the space now feels thoughtfully designed, warm, welcoming, and complete. Each precise detail reveals more about Jesse's approach, a builder driven by patience, dedication, and deep respect for the craft. His quiet commitment to accuracy transforms what could have been a simple installation into true craftsmanship. Every measured cut, every flawless joint, and every perfectly aligned surface showcases not only skill, but also passion, an expression of care and pride visible in every inch of the build. United by determination and a shared dream, Jesse and his wife Jay turn a simple bus conversion into a true home on wheels. One where their children grow up surrounded by imagination, adventure, and the kind of memories that feel straight out of a fairy tale. Inside this moving home, every mile becomes a moment to treasure, guided by family love and the endless wonder of nature. Jesse, Jay, and their 3 children discover the beauty of living freely, traveling through forests, passing cascading waterfalls, and ending each day gathered around a glowing campfire. As the night settles in and stars blanket the sky, stories are shared, laughter echoes, and another unforgettable chapter of their journey begins.